A quiet woman sat in the fourth row of a courtroom. No uniform, no name tag, just a visitor sticker. But when a cocky cop brushed too close, jabbing her with intent, everything shifted. Because this wasn't just any woman. This was Master Sergeant Norah Ellis, and someone just declared war in the wrong courthouse. Norah Ellis wasn't there to make noise. She sat silently in a faded navy jacket, her eyes fixed ahead, her presence calm, but calculated. Her brother Damien, falsely accused, sat trembling at the defense table. Each time he glanced back, she nodded gently, the only anchor he had left. When her name was called to the stand, Norah rose with quiet authority. The court didn't know who she was until she spoke. "Master Sergeant, U.S. Marine Corps Force Recon," she said clearly. The room stiffened. Her testimony was factual, measured, airtight. She had alibis, logs, witnesses, and a presence that rattled the prosecution. But it wasn't her words that changed the course of that day. It was what happened next. As Norah stepped down, Officer Rowan, the arresting officer, accidentally jabbed her with an elbow. Sharp, calculated, malicious. The courtroom gasped. Norah didn't flinch. She didn't shout. She simply asked the judge, calmly and clearly, for the officer's removal. And when granted, she looked Rowan dead in the eye as he passed. "This isn't over," he hissed. "Neither is the war," she replied. Outside the courtroom, Damien sat with eyes full of fear. He'd been offered a deal, felony charges, permanent scars. Norah told him flatly, "You sign that, and you disappear." Before he could reply, a man in a charcoal suit approached. Special Agent Milo Wren, Department of Civil Rights. He had heard. He had seen. He was ready. Turns out, Officer Rowan wasn't just a rogue. He was protected. Complaints buried. Victims silenced. Files scrubbed. But not today. Norah handed over a name. A victim. A witness. "Talk to Marcus Brand," she said. "He'll talk." When asked what she'd do next, Norah didn't hesitate. Draw fire. She knew this wasn't just about her brother. This was about every name that never made the headlines. Every family that didn't have a soldier to fight back. The courtroom didn't shake because of one punch. It shook because the system met resistance it couldn't bury. Norah Ellis stood in that courtroom, not to win, but to remind the city, some people don't flinch even under fire. If this story struck you deep, like it now, share it with someone who needs to see true courage. Drop a comment below with just 2 words. Respect, remember. And don't forget to subscribe. We fight with stories that matter.